Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We, as an interior and exterior design expert, share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In this latest video, we are showcasing the hottest trends in modern bathroom tiles design. Whether you are planning a renovation or just looking for some inspiration, we have got you covered. Explore a stunning array of tile options from sleek minimalism to bold, eye-catching patterns. Discover how these tiles can transform your bathroom into a contemporary oasis of style and luxury. In this video, we will cover minimalistic tile design, geometric patterns, nature-inspired tiles, bold color choices, textures, and finishes. Get ready to be inspired and make your bathroom a reflection of your unique style. Once again, I request don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design ideas and inspiration. When selecting bathroom tiles, several key features should be considered to ensure you choose the right ones for your space. Here are some important factors to keep in mind. Number 1. Bathrooms are humid environments, so it's crucial to choose tiles that are water resistant or waterproof. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are excellent options for their water resistant properties. Number 2. Bathroom tiles should be able to withstand daily wear and tear. Look for tiles that are durable and can resist scratches and chippings. Number 3. Consider the size of your bathroom when choosing the tile size. Larger tiles can make a small bathroom appear more spacious, while smaller tiles can work well in larger bathrooms. Also think about the scale of patterns and how they will fit in your space. Number 4. Select tiles that match your desired style and the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Whether you prefer a modern, classic, or rustic look, there are tiles available to suit your taste. Number 5. Choose tile colors and finishes that complement your bathroom's color scheme and lighting. Light colored tiles can make a space feel brighter and more open, while darker tiles can create a cozy atmosphere. Number 6. Consider the texture of the tile, especially for areas prone to slipping, such as the shower floor. Textured tiles can provide better traction and safety. Number 7. Think about how the tiles are to clean and maintain. Smooth glazed tiles are typically easier to clean than unglazed or textured ones. Number 8. Set a budget for your tile project and stick to it. Tiles come in a wide range of price points, so be mindful of cost when choosing your selection. Number 9. The color of grout can significantly impact the overall look of tile surfaces. Decide whether you want to grout to blend in or contrast with the tiles and choose a ground color accordingly. Number 10. Think about how your tile choice will age over time. Option for timeless design if you plan to stay in your home for many years, or choose trenders options if you want to update the bathroom sooner. Number 11. Before making a final decision, obtain sample tiles and test them in your bathroom to see how they look in your specific lighting conditions and with your other design elements. Number 12. If you are unknown about anything, you can contact a well-established designer or architecture that can give you a very unique guidance and accurate. By considering these key features, you can make an informed decision when selecting bathroom tiles and that not only look great but also perform well in your space. In conclusion, choosing the right bathroom tiles is a crucial step in creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing bathroom space. By carefully considering factors such as water resistance, durability, size, style, color, texture, maintenance, budget, ground color, and long-term considerations, you can make an informed choice that suits your preferences and meet the practical needs of your bathroom. Remember to take your time, explore various options, and even test samples in your bathroom to ensure you are satisfied with the final result. With the right tiles, you can transform your bathroom into a beautiful and functional oasis that reflect your personal style. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.